Hello and welcome to our channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to be notified of our latest videos. Today, we're going to share some tips on how to shape your eyebrows perfectly. So, let's get started. Step 1. Brush and groom your eyebrows. Take an eyebrow brush and comb your eyebrow hair upward to reveal their natural shape. Step 2. Define your eyebrow shape. Use a brow pencil or powder that matches your hair color to outline the bottom and top edges of your eyebrows. Follow the natural arch for a polished look. Step 3. Remove stray hairs. Grab a pair of slanted tweezers and carefully pluck any stray hairs that fall outside the defined shape. Remember to pluck in the direction of hair growth to minimize discomfort. Step 4. Fill in your eyebrows. If you have any sparse areas or gaps, use an eyebrow pencil or powder to fill them in. Make small, feather-like strokes in the direction of hair growth for a natural appearance. Step 5. Blend and set. Use an eyebrow brush or spoolie to blend the pencil or powder for a seamless finish. This will help distribute the product evenly and soften any harsh lines. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more beauty tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more exciting content. Remember, confidence begins with beautiful eyebrows.